Hi everyone, my name's John. I'm here to show you this really nice bathroom organizer. It goes over your toilet. It's got a little cabinet on it. I'm going to take all the pieces out, lay them out here, and then show you how to put it together. Alright, so all you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. This is the directions, very simple, easy directions, how to put it all together. Just follow the steps. Follow each step on here. It's very, very easy to put together. Okay, just follow each step. The directions. I like to lay out all my pieces before I begin, and then start following the directions and piece by piece. Everything is numbered, so let's put it together. First thing you're going to do is you're going to take piece number 2, piece number 3, and 4 pieces of A. So the A screw, and that's going to go in on the very top right there. There's 3 on each board. Very simple. Then you're going to, once that's done, you're going to get piece number 7, and you're going to need 6 pieces of those screws, the tall, long ones. Put those in. Then the next step we're going to is you're going to need number 6, 1 piece of number 6, that's this one right here, and you're going to get B 4 pieces and C 4 pieces, so the dowel, and then you'll pop those in real easily. Then you're going to take and you're going to slide in number 14 right there. You just slide it right in, super easy. Then you're going to put the top on. Okay, that's the one you already put together, real simple. Then you're going to slide in the back. Okay, that's easy. And then we're going to go to the very top, and we're going to put the legs, all the pieces together for each leg. Then you'll slide the top cabinet down onto the screws, and then you'll tighten those. And next is the doors. Put the hinges on the doors, and then we'll put the doors on the cabinet. Okay, so at this point, what we're going to do is we're going to put the cabinet doors on. Very simple. You're going to take 4 screws, and it's going to be screw G. You'll need 16 of these. 4, 4, 4, and 4. It's really simple. The holes are already pre-drilled, so I already put one in. I have my my drill gun set on a very, very low setting, so it will not put the screw through the wood and ruin it. So anyway, let's put these on. Real simple. Line it up. Put your screw in. There we go. Super easy. I like to put a couple up there, and then I'll do a couple down here at the bottom to help support it. Just like this. There we go. Put this on here. Like that. There we go. Okay, now you can adjust these as well so that the door will close nice and slow, just like that. Look at that, it's lined up perfectly. Next step is to install this behind here for stability. Now you can put it up here or you can put it down here. I'm going to put it up here, just like that. before you do that, you need to take and put these in. They're small little fittings that go like this. Make sure the line is straight, just like that. And you'll do that with all 4 of these. You're gonna put them in like this, just like that, okay? And then like that, the screw can go in and screw right into this little hole that's right here, okay? Super simple. So here's the Allen wrench. Put that in there, push a little bit, and it'll grab on. And it goes right in, no problem. There we go, snug that up, get this one on. I've already tightened the other 2 on the opposite side, doing the exact same thing. Okay, it comes with these little pins that you're gonna put in. Okay, want you to be real careful. If this is not attached to your wall, when you open these doors, it's gonna wanna have a tendency to lean forward, so be careful about that. All right, so I'm gonna set the shelf right there. What you're gonna do is you figure out where you want your shelf to go. I think I'm gonna put it right in the middle. Put your pins in. See that? One by one. And then the shelf can go in. There you go. You are now complete. Look how easy, and watch how nice these doors close. They have the self-closing, so they don't slam, so they close nice and slow all the way.